Hey, in this quick tutorial I will show you how to add some quick transitions in Camtasia Studio. I just have downloaded these two videos from Pexels and let's add them to the timeline. You either drag and drop them here on the timeline, or either you place the cursor where the video want to be, right click on the video, then add to timeline, and now I will just connect them and I will find a menu here with the name transitions, and here I will find a variety of transitions. If you hover your mouse over the transition and move it to the right or to the left, you can have a perspective of how the transition will be. You have to find here a transition which you'd like to use. As an example, let's use fade through black. I would like to use this one. Now on the timeline, if I will hold Ctrl and use my mouse wheel, I can zoom in or zoom out. I will use this trick to zoom in, and if I want to add the transition, I can drag it with holding my left click all the way where the video connects. With Ctrl and Z, I can undo, by the way. Alright, this was the transition. Ctrl and Z to undo, or either you select the video which you want to be transitioned, then right click on the transition and press on add to selected media, and Camtasia automatically added the transition here and also at the end of the video. By the way, you can modify the length of these transitions. If I will click once on the transition and I will hold my left click on it, I can see it's 1 second long. Let's decrease it to 20, and now it's much faster. So this was the tutorial how to create a transition in Camtasia Studio. I hope you have a great day.